Hi, it's Kassy from Kassy's Parlor. Today I'm going to make a mixed media card using the Crafters Workshop mixed media supplies. So we're starting with white gesso on just plain white cardstock, and we're going to let that dry. While that's drying, I'm getting the background stamp prepared, and I've got some really pretty dark blue ink, stamping it over that background, and I'm just going to lay that paper right on top and really cover it nicely so I can have that nice script for background. Once that ink was dry, then I'm using some distress spray stain and a couple different blues, and then I'm going to use some water to just help move that color around the background. And then once that was dry, I came back with a little bit of the bright green there just to add a different color, really make it pop. So while that's drying, I'm going to work on the focal point, which is going to be this really gorgeous butterfly clear stamp, and I'm using Versamark ink to stamp on vellum, and then I'm going to use white embossing powder, and then I'm going to fussy cut it, and you'll see there's a really fun technique I'm going to do with this. So then while that is hanging out, I am going to cover the butterfly with the washi tape so I don't accidentally get any of this black modeling paste on it, and then I'm just really using the stencil for that circle that goes around there, and that black modeling paste on there looks outstanding. I really love that stuff. So then I have a sentiment here. I'm stamping in kind of a pinky purplish ink. Going to fussy cut that as well and put adhesive foam backing on it. And here's that technique I want to show you. So I'm just using a watercolor marker here, and I'm painting from the back of that vellum piece. So it's the opposite side from where the embossing powder is. And then you'll see on white here, look at that. You can see the color through it. It looks almost like stained glass. Really beautiful technique, super easy to do, and very effective. So then I'm just adding a little bit of black splatter with some more of that distress spray stain, and now I'm going to put the rest of my card together. I've got some 3D glue gel here to stick down the butterfly onto that circle, and adding my sentiment, and I am done. Look at that beautiful card. Really simple, yet looks a bit more complicated. Love the stained glass embossing technique on the vellum there, and yeah, I love the colors. It all came together quite nicely. Thanks so much for watching. Please consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the bell so you don't miss future videos. I hope you have a great day.